In this video, we're going to talk about how to create studio quality music and tracks instantly. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. All right, the tool we're going to use it's everyone's favorite 11 Labs, 11labs.io. That is the URL, which is right here. Now, let me log in and show you. It's super easy to create different type of tracks, musics, background sounds, background tracks for your maybe content. So once you log in, here's the dashboard. You're gonna click on under products, click on music, and then this is where you enter your prompt. So let's say I want to do a slow romantic music for my TikTok, right? I just want something, and I want to add 15 seconds because I want like really short. You can add any details that you like. Some people like to go to ChatGPT and create prompts more intelligent than these, more words, better prompts, and then use those here. Up to you. I'm just gonna, for the purpose of this demo, I'm keeping it super simple. And then this is where you can, how many variations do you want? 1, 2, 3. Let's keep it 1. Also, what's the duration? You can pick a duration. So look at this. So you can create tracks that are up to 4 minutes. That's awesome. Let's do the auto because I want 15 seconds ideally. Also, it'll tell you how much credits it's gonna cost you. Actually, that's a lot of credits. And then click on generate. So very simple, and you'll notice, let me actually make it, while it's working, actually it's done. You can see it created the verse here, the intro, the outro. Actually it's 15 seconds, so it's gonna be super short. And then let me play this. I think it's done. Let me play this. I only created one variation, so it's gonna show me this. You could do multiple. But let me play this for you. And not sure if you can hear this or not, but let me try.
Soft whispers dance, our hearts adore. Your hand in mine, the silver. Soft whispers dance, our hearts in gentle tune. Every breath we share feels like a promise soon.
So nothing in the outro, but that is amazing. I kept it short. Just 15 seconds. You can share this. Oh wow, you can share as a video. I've never tried this. I'm gonna try it. And then you can also download this and use it in your content. Also, this include styles, exclude styles. You can do a lot of like customization to this as well. So studio quality tracks. Literally, it took us about 15 seconds to do it. A 15-second track. Obviously, if it's a longer one, it might take longer. But 11labs.io, any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next one. Bye for now.